Hello, this is Josh Rishian, and today I'll be completing student video number 8. And the first question is to confirm if Rolle's theorem applies, and if so, find points on the interval. So this 0 will be our A, and this 1 will be our B. And Rolle's theorem states that 0 is equal to f of A minus f of B all over A minus B. So for this, we'll plug in each one of these into the function. So f of A is equal to is equal to 0 times 0 minus 1 squared, which is just equal to 0, so that one works. And f of B is equal to 1 times 1 minus 1 squared, which is also 0, so that works. So that means that Rolle's theorem is possible. So from there, we're going to then multiply this x and x minus 1 squared so that we can actually get the values. And we'll expand that x minus 1 squared into x minus 1, x plus 1, like that. So then that will become x times x squared minus 2x plus 1. And then from there, we will multiply that to get x to the third minus 2x to the second plus x. And then we will have our values once we take the derivative. So f of x is equal to 3x minus 4x, or 3x to the second minus 4x plus 1. And then we can plug that into the quadratic formula, which is squared c over 2a. So then plugging that in, we get just regular 4 plus or minus the square root of negative 4 squared minus 4 times 3 times 1 all over 2 times 1. So then we get, after doing the math, which I've already done, 2 minus square root 2 minus square root 2 over 2, and then 2 plus square root 2 over 2. And then we need to find if these are still on the interval, and this one is, it's about 1.3, and this one is not because it's about 1.7, which is more than 1. So that means that our answer for this one would be 2 minus square root 2 over 2. For the next one, confirm mean value theorem, and if so, find points on the interval. F of x is equal to 7 minus x squared. So the difference between these is that it's just the interval of, or not interval, derivative of c is equal to f of a, or f of b minus f of a over b minus a. So pretty similar to the last one. And from here, we will plug the numbers in once again. So I guess this is a and this is b. So f of a is equal to 7 minus negative 1 squared, so that's equal to 6. And f of b is equal to 7 minus 2 squared. So then that's equal to 4. So 7 minus 4 is 3. So then it's 3 minus 6 over 2 minus, or plus 1, because it's minus negative 1. And that's equal to negative 3 over 3, so that's equal to negative 1. So then you find how f of c, which the derivative is equal to just 2x, is equal to negative 1 and that means that x is equal to negative 1/2. And for the final one, using L'Hopital's rule to find the limit, we take the derivative of the top and the derivative of the bottom. So that means that it's 4x minus 4x to the third minus 3x to the second minus 2 over 1. And we plug in the 1. So it's there. And that equals 4 minus 3 minus 2, so that's negative 1 over 1, which is just equal to negative 1. All right, so there's the 3 answers. And that is all.